What's up, gang? Today, we're gonna be putting on the window louver. I guess I got some help by my baby Roddy. She don't want to leave my side. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm still waiting on that hood. Let's go. So I got the window louver clean. Now I just gotta clean the back window. It's really dusty. It's been sitting in the garage, so I'm about to clean this window. Got the good Windex. All right, guys, so I'll be back once the window's clean. Now, I take these, I put them where the holes are, and then put it on the car with the adhesive side down. Let's go. So I am missing one right there, but it should be okay. So let's go install it. Before the window louver, after, guys. Let me know what you think.